evening, ladies and gentlemen. How are you guys doing? Is it good evening or it's a good morning? Whatsoever. Any good is good. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I want to give you a hot welcome in this hot news. And I want to give you my warm greetings. How are you? I hope you're doing good. Nongeye kubaha ikaze mu kiganiro cyacu rero amakuru ashyushye. Naye amakuru ashyushye mu Rwanda no hanze y'u Rwanda. Nayahe? Katuyarebe. One of the greatest movie people been waiting for is on its way out. Which movie I'm talking about? Extraction Part 2. Now, Extraction Part 2 is on its way out, while today the trailer will be out and we will see the trailer on the Chris Hemsworth Instagram. So when the trailer is out, that means the movie is already there. This trailer is to make you aware or to get ready to know the date and where to find the movie. I hope you guys will watch it. So and further information on trailer, I mean, you will find it on Chris Hemsworth Instagram on social medias. I don't know. So imwe muri movie rero abantu bari bategereje ari benshi byatara rero bita Extraction Part 2 uyu munsi iraba ntabwo iraba yasohotse ahubwo trailer yayo iraza kuba yageze hanze. Iyo trailer yageze hanze bivuze ko na film ihari, ahubwo trailer ibije kugira ngo ibibutse cyangwa ibereke amatariki naho filime izasohokera. I bet you will go and watch it. In another news, mu yandi makuru rero, Rwanda Emergency has just confirmed that they have got 1,200 bags of cement, and all the way from Twiga cement. And these 1,200 bags of cement, they'll be used to construct the house for those people who got affected by the disasters that occurred in Rwanda in northern and western province. So rero Rwanda Emergency yemeje ko yamaze kubona sima 1,200 ziturutse muri Twiga cement zizafasha cyangwa se zizakoreshwa mu gihe bano bantu bagizweho ingaruka na bino biza byateye mu Rwanda mu ntara y'amajyaruguru ndetse n'iburengerazuba, abantu bazaba bari kubakirwa amazu. Murumva ko ari ibintu byiza. Nese nibaza n'abandi bantu bazakora ibyo bintu nka Mekikoro rizatanga amarange, Sina Gerard azatanga maybe amandazi, I don't know. I was just saying, you know, Turirwa izatanga amabati. I know people they will give because they have a heart. And out of the supplies, I was wondering how comedians are going to do this thing. Maybe knock, they just offer joke. It will be funny, guys. I'm telling you, like, they'll be like, knock. Who is there? Seveya who? The cause of landslide. In another news, muyandi makuru rero, Samira Mukansanga, female Rwandan referee who is making it, is now confirmed to officiate in FIFA Women World Cup, which will take place in New Zealand. It's something good, man. It's something good, which will take place in New Zealand and Australia, which is something good. And this woman has just even handled men's match and everything went well. I am sure that she will perform good. So, rero Samira Mukansanga yemejwe nk'umwe mu bantu nk'umwe mu barbitre cyangwa se mu basifuzi bazakora ibikorwa bizaba binahambaye cyane mu gikombe cy'isi cy'abagore kizabera muri New Zealand ndetse na Australia. So, murumva ko ari ibintu byiza rero, ndetse hari n'abandi bagore batatu, umwe no muri South Africa undi no muri Ghana. Nago nabaye form nago na mazina yabo na somye bose, ariko you can read the article kuri kinyamakuru bita The New Times, niho inkuru iri irambuye. In another news, mu yandi makuru rero, yesterday Ferwafa members they seated and set leaders in transition, while the official leaders they are not yet voted, which is good to maintain the stability. And now Habyarimana Marcel Matiku is the leader of Ferwafa, which is good. Yeah. So you know, ejo Ferwafa yaricaye ishyiraho abayobozi b'inzibacyuho cyangwa se abayobozi bo nakita nk'abazaba bari mu rugendo rwo kuba bahandorinze cyangwa se bafashe itsinda rya Ferwafa kugira ngo babe bariyoboye. Rero hakaba umuyobozi uri kuriyobora ubu ngubu cyangwa se watowe kugira ngo abe ari kuyobora Ferwafa mu nzibacyuho, akaba ari Habyarimana Marcel Matiko. I don't want to involve in somebody's life, but in another news, mu yandi makuru rero. Yesterday in Geneva, Switzerland, there were a meeting which was intended to seek how the refugees, the Rwandan refugees who are in Congo, they might get back in Rwanda, and Congolese refugees who are in Rwanda, they might go back to Congo. I don't know if it will happen, but if it happen, it will be good. So rero ejo i Geneve mu Busuwisi hari inama yo kwiga cyangwa se yo kugira ngo barebere hamwe uko impunzi z'Abanyarwanda ziri muri Congo zataha ndetse n'uko impunzi z'Abanyekongo ziri mu Rwanda zataha zigasubira muri Congo, which is something good. Numva ko ari ikintu cyiza. Iyo nama rero nta kindi nayivugaho. In another news, mu yandi makuru rero, UNPD is hiring job opportunity guys in United Nations Development Program. Is hiring on 2 posts. So post number 1, consultant in communication. Post number 2, graphic design. So if you think you can do something about that, it's your time. Go on Twitter and search UNPD. We'll find the announcement. Then click on the link. You click on the link, and then you will follow the instruction. Then you apply. So UNPD iri gutanga akazi kuri post ya consultant in communication ndetse na graphic designs. Ubaye rero wumva interested cyangwa se ari ikintu wahara ako kazi ugashoboye, simple, biroroshye, urajya kuri Twitter ya UNPD, hariho iryo tangazo, hanyuma kuri iryo tangazo hariho link ihita ikujyana aho ushobora kubonera ibyo usabwa kugira ngo ukore ako kazi cyangwa se kwiyandikisha n'ibindi nk'ibyo ngibyo. In another news, mu yandi makuru rero, Kenya trap official Gengo Tabati Turya, this guy Bushari has just said his album is now ready, and his album is called Full Moon. But out of the supplies, he will not launch his album here in Rwanda. He will launch his album in Europe. Why? It's just because he has just said he will be traveling to Europe, he will be visiting family, and he has more performances, and that's how he has just preferred to perform his songs on his album over there, which is good. So Bushari rero akaba yavuze ko album yiwe yitwa Full Moon yuzuye, ariko mu by'ukuri nubwo yuzuye ntabwo azayironcingira cyangwa se ntabwo azayiperformingira mu gihugu cy'u Rwanda, azayiperformingira muri Europe cyangwa se mu Burayi. Kubera iki? Impamvu rero ni nyinshi, ngo azaba yagiye gusura famille mu Burayi, afiteho ngo n'aba performance agiye atandukanye. So rero byose yarabyegeranyije abona ko biri ngombwa ko ariho na launch album yiwe yabera, which is not bad. Tukataga ari ibintu bibi, so we should appreciate. Kadusoreze hano rero naho butaha. See you.